So we are going to take these ends and we are going to cut them out on the CNC router. You'll need to download these. It depends. Every class might be a little bit different, but I'm going to have these somewhere where you can find and download them. On our Woods One campus page, you'll see them at the bottom. They're called Treasure Chest and VCarve files. And I want to focus more on how to set the CNC router up, not as much on how do I draw in VCarve. So that's why I'm giving you these files. Now, we need to cut these out, and to do that, I'm going to highlight them so they're all pink. Then I'm going to come over here to Toolpaths. I'll get my face out of the way. Come over here to Toolpaths, and we're going to say a profile toolpath. That means the router bit is going to go around the lines that we have. Ours should be 3/4 of an inch deep. So 0.755 will cut just barely through them, and we want to just cut up to 0.75. Then we got to select our tool path, our tool bit, and we want to use a 1/4 inch end mill, and that 1/4 inch end mill will be in tool number 1. These numbers are all perfect, so if you want to copy these numbers, feel free, and I'll hit select. Now I want to make sure that we're on the outside of the line. So this circle represents the router bit. We want that router bit to be on the outside. If I have that router bit on the inside of the line, we're going to make our projects too small. We want to add a 1-inch ramp. Our router bits are flat on the bottom. They have to be able to come in at an angle. And then I'm going to just call this Treasure Chest Ends. And then I'm going to calculate it. Now, if I want to see what this will look like, I'll say Preview Visible Toolpaths, and we can see it's going to cut those right out. All right, so after that is done, what I want you to do is go File, Save As, and I'm going to just save it right in Downloads. And then after I've got it saved in Downloads, I want you to come over here to the CNC file drop, and then you'll have a submit button, and I want you to submit that file to Canvas. Let me know if you have any questions.